big sauce, you dig? You see, for those, you know, who was born in the 90s, I know y'all see the drip on my shirt, you feel me? But that's not what we talking about today, you feel me? But what we getting into, nigga, is motherfucking NBA YoungBoy, 4 Sons of a King, nigga. I heard this motherfucking video, audio, nigga, is a banger, you feel me? The song, you feel me? YoungBoy, knowing YoungBoy, he ain't finna drop no motherfucking video of this song, no matter how hard this shit is. But if you don't know, I am a big ass YoungBoy fan, you feel me? Free YoungBoy, you already know what it is, but let's tap in with this goddamn song. You feel me? Let's get it.
This for the cake, my firstborn. You made a nigga strong, you the one. This for the Taylor, my second baby, my wildest same tape. Before it's done, I promise we'll have a fun. Kamari, K3, everything about 11, like that little nigga just like me. Wear his headband like his cousin. I just seen you on IG. Forever I got you, forever I know you got me. Just talk the case through an iPhone, I could cry. I knew they look up in your eyes. Mom's up in so long, some shit ain't right. Just gotta keep my head high. Just backstage with a bag full of cash. Diamonds in the safe. I'm in the nigga, I ain't stunning. I've been sipping off the track when I rap. My girl say I dance. Fuck it, babe, I'm tryna put this dirty on somebody. Rockstar in every metal. I think I found someone to make it better. Old friends call me begging for somebody else. I don't wanna fuck this up. Say what you wanna do, cause girl I'm falling. Pick me up when I'm falling. We land, we be ballin'. These niggas ain't go to tweaking, ain't what they talking. Everybody be mobbing, just go get this walking. On a long song, I can't see or imagine how. Made it on a long road. Yeah, that's right, we up right now. I need you to stop the case through an iPhone. I could cry. I knew they look up in your eyes. Mom's up in so long, some shit ain't right. Just gotta keep my head high. Step backstage with a bag full of cash. Diamonds in the safe. I'm in the nigga, I ain't stunning. I've been sipping out the track when I rap. My girl say I dance. Fuck it, babe, I'm tryna put this dirty on somebody. Love it.
Okay. For a 2-minute song, that shit was hard as fuck, you feel me? Shout out all his kids, you feel me? Like, nigga, that niggas consistently make a banger, like, nigga, you can't tell me one YoungBoy song that's trash. I don't give a fuck what it is. Nigga, you can't tell me one YoungBoy song that's trash. You can't. You feel me? Nah, but what I really need y'all to do is do a like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me? To Mel Ben Saucy. We're gonna drop all funny ass, you know, reaction videos in this fucking channel. All funny as shit. Hot bangers, you feel me? Anything y'all request, I'm gonna drop it for y'all. But that concludes, you feel me, what I gotta say. We out, bitch.